you're getting something super well made. So if you bought this knife recently, or if you're looking to buy it, know that this is a pretty darn good purchase and you're not really going to go wrong with it, honestly. Hello everyone and welcome to the table. So today we have a knife from Vosteed right here. And this one is kind of a sleeper. I think it may have gone, a little under the radar for most of us out there. But this right here is the Vosteed CORGI. And so with an unassuming name like the CORGI, it may not have been a first choice, second choice, third choice for anyone searching for a pocket knife out there. But let me tell you, they did a lot of things right on this design. And so, of course, I just flipped out this lovely blade, but let's put it back in the handle just for a second. So look at this handle design right here. This is perfectly symmetrical, So you can see everything, center line, pocket clip, pivot, button, pocket clip on this side. We have this insert. Even the flippers up here are perfectly symmetrical. So that's a really cool design feature. When the blade is opened, the blade is not perfectly symmetrical, but when you close this blade in the handle, it completely disappears. Completely disappears in the handle. So first impressions are really good based on the design feature alone. But what's really cool about the knife, again, we have the flippers up here. And I say flippers because we have a traditional, finger flipper, back flipper. But we also have a front flip design, which you can utilize as well. So what that does is it gives you, again, multiple ways to open the knife. It's super fidgety, and the action on this knife is really good. They used a button lock design right here. So we can see the button underneath the pivot, and the button has some really cool texturing. So that feels really easy to grip onto right there. But the action itself, it's on bearings, of course, because, once you press that button, you can see that blade. Look at how smooth. This is a very smooth action. There's zero resistance. You can see even right there, closing the blade, it kind of bounces because it has so much free movement. Look at that. And then, of course, it locks into place when the button is not being pressed. Centering looks really good. So no issues there. And this particular variant of the knife has the black micarta handles and these copper inserts. So these pivot collars right here are a copper material. So naturally over time, these are going to get oils on them, from your fingers, from your hands. And they're going to form like a really nice, like a patina, and they're going to be very unique to your individual knife. So that's really cool to see copper and micarta on a knife. But even going with that symmetrical design, we can see the pocket clip. It is a standard, nice deep carry pocket clip. Carries nice and deep, no issues there. We do have this little insert right here as well, which again makes the knife look a touch classier to have the insert right there rather than just an open hole on the handle. So that's really cool as well. So take a look at the blade. So we can see the name of the model there. Again, this is the CORGI, and the blade steel we're working with, this is a 14C 28N. So very nice everyday carry steel, very budget minded, budget oriented. And so I think there's no wrong decision there. And I do appreciate they went with a nice little like a stone washed finish on this one. So that looks very good. A little bit different because we get a lot of coated blades nowadays. So it's nice to see something out of the ordinary on that front as well. But Vosteed is really doing a lot of stuff right. So they're a company, again, if you're not in the knife world, you may have never even heard of Vosteed, but they've been coming out with some really knock it out of the park designs. And so this is really impressive as a result of that. So again, when the knife is open, we can see inside the steel liners here, you can see they put holes in the liners to help reduce the weight of the knife. So let's go ahead and check out the weight that we have right here. All right, so our Vosteed CORGI, 3.4 ounces, right on the money. 3.4 ounces for this knife. So not a heavy weight at all, very easy to carry. Let's check out the length of the knife. So blade length right here, we can see it's pretty much right at 3 inches of blade length, and overall length is coming in about 7¼ inches long. So definitely falls into that category. Very nice everyday carry size, in my opinion. And the build quality, like I've been saying, this is excellent. I mean, there's no play in the blade. The blade came absolutely very sharp from the factory, so that's awesome. On the back spacer right here, we have a little area for a lanyard. So you see that little post in there, and you can put a lanyard in there as well. So if lanyards are your thing, this knife accommodates you. And that would be the only thing not symmetrical about the knife if you have a lanyard on there, but very usable. So usability factor is through the roof. And Vosteed, again, they're going in the right direction with their things because, of course, every knife that I've gotten from them has included a pouch with the cleaning cloth, of course. And these are great for storage. Again, if that's something you value, box right here has a clear picture of the knife on it, so you know what you're getting. So giftability is also very high if someone in your life is into pocket knives, everyday carry, anything in that realm. And so even going with the cutesy sticker, again, they're appealing to a pretty wide audience here. So they did a lot of things right here with the Corgi, from the name to the design. A lot of things have been done very well. And so in hand, that micarta feels great. But also in hand, let's do a quick size comparison between this and a couple of other knives I have on the table here. So let's see what we have. And so two of my favorite knives, for comparison's sake, are pretty common ones. So we have a Benchmade bug out. So also very popular everyday carry knife. So let's put that one right there. Very similar in size, but we also have a mini bug out. So the smaller variant of the bug out. And so we can see it kind of fits right between these two knives in terms of size. So our mini bug out is less than 3-inch blade. Full size bug out, slightly longer than 3 inches, but the Corgi is coming in right at 3. So it is the Goldilocks of sizes in the everyday carry world. So again, very impressive with what they've done here. And so that being said, this Vosteed, they sent this over from Vosteed to me. They wanted to get some opinions on the knife and see what I thought about it. So I figured I would share that with all of you out there. So because I don't have too many Vosteed knives. I think this is my third one. And so it's been nice to get a hold of some more of their designs. But really, here in 2025, I think you really can't go wrong with a lot of these really very nicely made imported knives. And when I say imported, yes, this knife is made in China. But if that's not something that bothers you, I think we're getting a lot of value for the money because these knives retail for about the $59 price point. You know, you can always wait for coupons and things, but for about $60, you're getting something super well made. So if you bought this knife recently, or if you're looking to buy it, know that this is a pretty darn good purchase and you're not really going to go wrong with it, honestly. So my first impressions of the Vosteed Corgi here, very good. So in my opinion, this one's worth a pickup for the fidget factor alone. So that's really what I think about this one. So I hope this was somewhat enlightening for you. I hope you enjoyed watching, but even if you didn't, drop a comment below. Love to hear any comments and questions. Hope you all have a nice day out there, and I'll see you later.